Hello friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive a message in OnlineJobs.ph. All you have to do is click on messages on the upper right and you will find those messages that you have in your mailbox. Now, if I scroll on, let's say I want to archive this message here, I can click this checkbox here on the left hand side. That's going to allow me to select the user, and then you will see that I have the archive button right here. If you notice as well towards the right hand side, you also have the archive button. So you can also archive messages directly from here. So either from here or you click right here and click on archive, and that's it. The message is now archived. Now you may be wondering, where are those archives stored? If you look to the left hand side, you can find the archived folder. You click on it, and these are the archived messages. And you can always go ahead and unarchive them or restore those messages at a later point in time if you want to by clicking on that. And that's it. So this is how you can easily archive your messages on online jobs PH. So that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.